Just the nuts and bolts, Senator, what happens now?
Well, the president's going to have to be very careful who he nominates to the court because, you know, the Supreme Court's 1/3 of the separated powers of this country. It's extremely important, and it has a very limited role, and that role is basically to interpret the laws made by those who have to stand for re-election. Unfortunately, the president has already said just a few minutes ago that he believes that whoever he chooses ought to have empathy, not only for just decisions, but also outcomes. Well, that's what you call judicial activism. They should not play politics with this job. This is a job where they ought to live within the constraints of the Constitution, the constraints of the statutes or executive orders, just to mention a couple of the other matters, from people who actually have to stand for re-election and not make laws from the bench like super legislators or people who want to take over the government of the country.